Here's how to reset the limits and erase all of the codes on your Guardian 928 jack shaft opener. The first thing you're going to want to do is open the front panel. You're going to locate the yellow Learn button, and you're going to press and hold that button until the operator beeps. Now if I push the button on the remote, it's not going to work. If you try the keypad, it won't work either. The purpose for doing this is in the event that you lost a remote, or maybe your remote was stolen, but basically to cut off access to anybody that you don't want to have access to your garage. If you need instructions on how to reprogram your Guardian remote or your Guardian keypad, please see the videos here. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please call us today.